Chero bokebwaera magiga yogotianwa gosobisi ase bunge enene nigorero barwa Enkwana ya ETANG'ANI BW'EBUNGE enene ababunge abo ngamona David Adman ndakwa wensemu ye bunge ya Malava Lee wa Mdende Njeru wensemu ye bunge ya Mbeere North na Boigo Moses Okoth Omondo Korwa Omondi Korwa asensemu ye bunge ya Ugunja.
Honorable members, I stand here not merely as an individual, but as a voice for the aspiration and struggles that we go through and hopes of the people of Malava constituency who have elected me. My constituency faces challenges that require urgent and collective actions. Among them is poor facility in education, impassable roads, struggling agriculture, especially in the sugar sector, lack of electricity, and poor health facilities, lack of piped water, unemployment among the youth, an empowered, vulnerable group of women and people living with disabilities, among others.
To the people of Mbeere North, I thank you. I'm deeply honored. And I say, I made pledges, I made promises. I will stay focused in leading you to achieving the goals we set together. One being the bursaries, which are as we agreed, will be equitably distributed. The free day secondary school, fighting for our roads, as I did this morning when I visited the Director General for Kera. And legislation, as you can see, I'm here today, ready to serve you and oversight even the national government CDF.
Mr. Speaker, in Ugunja, we are already witnessing tangible progress. I must mention to this House that the President recently, a few months ago, was in Ugunja and launched a mega water project that is serving the two constituencies. The project is known as Ukwala Sega Water and Sanitation Project, which has really brought a lot of changes because, as you're aware, water is really a basic utility or commodity. Mr. Speaker, as I stand here today, there are quite a number of projects that have been earmarked by the national government for implementation. There is the currently ongoing construction of a modern market in Sidindi Market. We also have a road known as Sidindi, Sigomre, Masiro, which has equally been earmarked for tarmacking, Mr. Speaker. And therefore, as the member of Parliament for Ugunja, I have no reservation whatsoever to support this government.